Bonjour and welcome to our channel. Today, we're taking you on a virtual tour of the top 10 places to visit in France. From the sparkling lights of Paris to the charming countryside of Provence, France is a country full of diversity and beauty. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride. First on our list is the City of Lights, Paris. As the capital of France, Paris is a hub of culture, cuisine, and architecture. You'll be dazzled by the stunning Eiffel Tower, Notre Dame Cathedral, and the Louvre Museum. And don't forget to stroll along the Seine River or relax in one of the many cafes and bistros. Next up is the French Riviera, a glamorous destination known for its sparkling blue waters and luxurious resorts. The towns of Nice, Cannes, and Saint-Tropez offer sandy beaches, chic boutiques, and world-class dining. The rolling hills of Provence. If you're looking for a more relaxed pace, head to the charming countryside of Provence. Here you'll find lavender fields, vineyards, and hilltop villages. Be sure to visit the picturesque town of Aix-en-Provence and the Roman aqueduct, Pont du Gard. Palace of Versailles. No trip to France is complete without a visit to the Palace of Versailles. Once home to the French monarchy, this grand palace and its gardens are a testament to France's opulent past. The city of Lyon. Lyon, located in southeastern France, is a food lover's paradise. This city is known for its traditional cuisine, including escargot, quenelles, and coq au vin. Don't miss a visit to the Les Halles de Lyon, a covered food market where you can sample local delicacies. Mont Saint-Michel is a mystical island located off the coast of Normandy. This medieval abbey and village are a UNESCO World Heritage Site and offer stunning views of the surrounding bay. Bordeaux, located in southwestern France, is known for its world-class wines. Take a stroll through the city's historic center and enjoy a glass of Bordeaux red at one of the many wine bars. The Palace of the Popes in Avignon is another UNESCO World Heritage Site. This medieval palace served as the residence of the popes in the 14th century and is a testament to the power and influence of the Catholic Church. Strasbourg, located in northeastern France, is a picturesque city with a unique blend of French and German cultures. Be sure to visit the Cathedral of Notre Dame and the charming Petite France neighborhood. Last but not least, the cliffs of Étretat are a natural wonder located on the Normandy coast. These limestone cliffs offer stunning views of the English Channel and are a popular spot for hiking and photography. Thanks for joining us on this virtual tour of France's top 10 destinations. We hope you've been inspired to add these amazing places to your travel bucket list. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more travel tips and inspiration. Au revoir.